So have you ever seen the chessboard about how it looks or how it's placed, or have you seen people playing on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He
So
has
do
it
you,
here.
all right, great. So do you have a board which folds or it's a proper solid board?
Sorry.
I don't know.
This is the one he has. I'll show it to you.
Yeah.
I don't do it. I don't know. Okay.
Okay. So
Can
you
you
have,
show it to me, please? Whatever you have. Come in. Take it out.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to do it. Can you show it to her, please? Put it on the side.
yeah, Rishi, can you
Rishi,
show
can
me
you
the
show it to
board?
her?
All right, great. Okay, so it's a proper board. Okay, it's black and white. Now, if you see, it's a square board, correct? So, do you know how to place it? What to check about how to place the board? No, right? So we will first learn the basic, which is how to place the chessboard. Okay. Do you see two chessboards on your screen right now?
Yeah.
So the question is, how do I identify which is the right one? Okay. So for example, if I have to write your name, I'm just going to write your name over this side. Okay. If you're sitting over here, this becomes your right hand side and this becomes your left hand side. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, Rishi, any point in time if you're not able to understand what I'm saying or you want me to repeat myself, just let me know, okay? There is no issue with me repeating even 10 times. I just want you to understand everything properly, okay? Okay, now on the second board also, I'm going to write your name. Okay, over here, this becomes your right side and this becomes your left side. Are you able to understand this far?
Yeah.
If
So
you're
the
not, just tell her no, okay, sweetie?
honestly tell me if you don't understand, okay? I don't mind repeating myself. Okay, so over here, this square is a white square, while on this board, it's a black square. So this means that the boards have been placed differently. Okay, so when you take out the chessboard from your box and you place it on the table, you need to make sure that the square on your right hand side corner is white. That means this is your right board. This board is wrong, is placed incorrectly. Okay, can you place the board which you have in your hand right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to take it off the plastic. Yeah.
Okay. So now the board such that on your right hand side corner there is a white square. Okay. And Rishi, I want you to do this independently without taking your dad's help. Okay. Since today is the first time you're doing this, your dad is helping you out of it, but you need to try to do this by yourself.
Yeah, I'm not going to help him now. So go for it.
All right. Okay, Rishi. So let's place the board on the table first and check for the right hand side corner square to white. Are you able to place it that way?
Yeah.
So this is the first rule to learn, that whenever you place the chessboard, your right hand side corner should be white. Okay. If it's not white, if it's black, like the second board on the screen, then you've not placed it correctly. You need to rotate it. Okay. So for example, if I'm sitting across you, okay, if I'm sitting across you like that, for me, this will be my right hand side and this will be my left hand side. Correct? Opposite hands. Okay. Are you understanding this?
Yeah.
So for me, even my right hand side square is white, if you notice this. So it doesn't matter if you're playing the white color or the black color. For both the players, the right hand side corner should be a white square. Are you clear with this basic about how to place the chessboard?
Yeah.
All right, great. Then I will move on to the proper chessboard. All right, I'm just going to share my screen again. Are you sure? No doubts so far about how to place the board? So if someone asks you which one is correct, you should always check for the right hand side corner square of your side. If that's white, that means it's proper. Okay. Okay, so it's a square board. Okay, and all the it has all these squares, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That way, it has got 64 squares. Okay, out of which 32 are white and 32 are black. Okay, if you want, you can count it at home when you're free. Okay, you can count it. You will get to know that exactly 32 white, 32 black, which means half of 64. Okay, now there are there are directions on the board. If you see when you're okay, first of all, the person who is playing with you, like if I'm playing with you, okay, what am I called? Like, am I your partner? Am I your opponent? What is it called?
Opponent.
Right. So whenever you play chess, okay, you play against someone. You don't play with someone. You play against an opponent. Any word that you are not able to understand or don't know the meaning of, you can ask me. Okay. Opponent is basically your kind of an enemy. So the person playing against you is your opponent. You don't play chess with someone. You play chess against someone. Okay. Now the white. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how the board looks once you set up the pieces. Okay, so this is the white side and that's the black side. Okay, the white player always plays first. These are your columns. Okay, which in chess has a different name. They are called files. 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 So files are the lines which go from your side to the opponent side. Okay. And can you count for me how many files are there?
8.
Correct. So there are 8 files. And what names have they been given? If you see, these are the names at the bottom. Okay. So the chessboard which you have does not have these names, but a professional chessboard always has the numbers and alphabets. And usually they are written on both the sides. So always remember the alphabet will be same on both the sides. It doesn't matter if it's on one side also, but sometimes it's written on both the sides. Okay, so there are 8 files and they are denoted by alphabets up till H because there are 8 files. So 8 alphabets. Okay. Now there's another direction which goes from your left to your right or your right to your left. Okay, like this across. Okay, what direction is this? Horizontal. What do you call the horizontal direction? If the vertical is called columns, what is the horizontal called?
Array.
It's called rows. Okay, ROWS. I'm just going to erase this. What should you check for? The square on your which side?
Right.
Okay, right hand side corner. And what color should that square be?
White.
Okay. All right. What else did we learn about the board? What shape is the board? It's a square shaped board, right?
Yeah.
And how many squares are there on it?
64.
Okay. Out of which how many are white?
32.
Black squares. Okay.